Hey guys, welcome back to Bright Night Tech. My name is Berto and today we are working on part 2 of my 3D printed Iron Spider double mask project. We are working on the MCU version of the Iron Spider and the comic book version. Last time we printed them out, did some wood filler. This time we are sanding, painting, putting some LED eyes in there, and enough talk. Let's get right to it. Alright, so last time we put some wood filler on this, I have already taken my palm sander and sanded both of these down like this. Still looks rough, but next we're going to do some filler primer and then sand some more and then rinse and repeat. But so you guys don't get bored, let's just do a montage of it. Alright, here we go. Alright, and here is the painted version of it. It looks fantastic. Here are the golden eyes. Here is the stand. I put this on Thingiverse, I'll put the link below. And here is the MCU Iron Spider. Alright, let's go ahead and do the eyes. So I think this looks great. All I'm going to do is just take some super glue. We're going to put it around the edges like this. And then we're just going to pop in that eye, hold it into place until it is done. Just like that. And this one is ready to go. Alright, and for the MCU Iron Spider, we're also going to put some super glue. We're going to put in the eyes just like this. Hold it in place. And the other. Alright, and now the hard part for this guy is we gotta do the LED eyes. So here's the pack. I use some Velcro to hold it in place. I just take the adhesive part, put it on one end, and then put it inside the mask. Now, these did not fit exactly. I thought about cutting them into place, but I was afraid I was going to ruin them, so we're just going to put them the best we can. And we're going to hold it into place with some tape because I don't do any cosplay with these. But, alright, let's get to some glamour shots. And there you have it. I'm extremely happy with the way these came out. It was my first time using automotive paint with the duplicolor for the MCU version, and it's such a tiny can and it's a little bit pricey, but I think I know what I'm going to do differently next time. I think I'm going to paint it black first and then do the metallic paint because when I used this one you could still see through it. There was a lot of transparency, so I had to keep piling it on there to get rid of it. And it's such a small can that I ended up using the whole thing. So definitely learn for next time. And the comic book version, I did my best to get it as smooth as possible. I think it came out really, really good, and I think they look awesome right next to each other. But let me know if you guys have made this file yourselves and what you did. But thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications. And we will see you next time.